Manager. EO versus QuickBooks, which accounting software is better? Choosing the right accounting software can completely change how you manage your business finances without the headache of complex setups. Here we compare Manager, IO, and QuickBooks briefly. Manager, IO, and QuickBooks are popular accounting solutions with distinct approaches. Manager, IO is a free, desktop-based system with optional cloud sync, while QuickBooks is a subscription cloud service offering extensive integrations and automation features. Manager, IO is an open-source accounting software designed for small to medium businesses seeking a straightforward, cost-effective solution. It operates primarily as a desktop application, allowing users to keep their financial data locally while offering optional cloud syncing for remote access. Manager, IO covers core accounting needs like invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and basic reporting. Its interface is simple and user-friendly, making it ideal for business owners who prefer hands-on control without subscription fees. However, Manager, IO has limitations in advanced automation and third-party integrations. Compared to cloud-first competitors, it lacks some of the in-depth payroll and tax compliance features found in more comprehensive platforms. Ideal users are small businesses or freelancers who want reliable offline accounting with the flexibility to sync data online when needed, without ongoing subscription costs. QuickBooks is a leading cloud-based accounting software tailored for small to large businesses that require scalable, automated financial management. It offers a wide range of features including invoicing, expense tracking, payroll, tax filing, inventory management, and real-time reporting. QuickBooks integrates seamlessly with many third-party apps, enabling streamlined workflows across sales, banking, and payroll. Its cloud platform ensures data is accessible anytime on any device, with automatic backups and security managed by Intuit. The software uses AI and automation to reduce manual data entry and improve accuracy. However, QuickBooks is subscription-based, which can be costly for startups or freelancers on a tight budget. Additionally, the learning curve can be steeper due to its extensive features. QuickBooks is best suited for businesses that need powerful all-in-one accounting tools with cloud convenience and professional support. When comparing Manager, IO, and QuickBooks, the choice depends on business needs and budget. Manager? EO excels as a free, offline-first solution, perfect for those prioritizing data control and minimal ongoing costs. It's straightforward but lacks advanced automation and integration options. QuickBooks, on the other hand, offers a comprehensive cloud-based ecosystem, ideal for businesses needing payroll, tax compliance, and scalable features. Its automatic updates and integrations save time but come with subscription fees and a more complex interface. For example, a freelancer or small shop might prefer Manager, IO for simplicity and cost savings, while a growing company with multiple employees and complex tax requirements would benefit from QuickBooks' robust capabilities. The trade-off is between cost and functionality, offline control versus cloud convenience. Choose Manager IO if you want a free, easy-to-use accounting system with offline access and basic features, perfect for small businesses and freelancers. Opt for QuickBooks if your business demands advanced automation, payroll, and seamless integrations in a cloud environment. It's the better choice for scaling businesses that need comprehensive financial management with professional support and real-time access across devices.